This is Chemistry 9th 2025 to 2026. In this book, the content that are covered in the form of 13 chapters. First chapter, state of matter and phase changes. Second chapter, atomic size, atomic structure. Third chapter, chemical bonding. Fourth chapter, stoichiometry. Fifth chapter, energetics. Sixth chapter, equilibria. Seventh chapter, acid base chemistry. Eighth chapter, periodic table and periodicity. Ninth chapter, group properties and elements. 10th chapter, environmental chemistry. 11th chapter, hydrocarbon. 12th chapter, empirical data collection and analysis. 13th chapter, laboratory and practical skill. Then glossary, index and bibliography are discussed in this chapter. If we continue chapter number 1, its name states of matter and phase changes. The SLOs covered in these chapters are define chemistry as the study of matter, its properties, composition and interaction with other matter and energy. In these chapters, explain with example that chemistry has many subfields: biochemistry, medicinal chemistry, polymer chemistry, geochemistry, environmental chemistry, analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, nuclear chemistry, astrochemistry. In this chapter, matter, its define, its properties are also discussed. First chapter, first topic, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science which deal with the properties, composition and the structure of substances. It also deal with the physical and chemical changes in matter. Determination of composition represent finding out percentages of element and compound in a sample of matter. Structure of matter means the arrangement of atom in matters. Both physical and chemical changes may be brought about by the absorption of energy. Branches of chemistry. To understand the vast field of chemistry, chemistry is divided into many distinct branches. These branches have distinct area of study for the scientists to focus on and to achieve breakthroughs and advancement. First is physical chemistry. This branch investigates how substances behave at atomic and molecular level. It provides clear explanation as to how fundamental principle law governing our world cause atoms and molecules to show specific characteristics and in return react to give huge structure related to life. Physical chemistry is also used to predict and change the rate of reaction and thus optimize the condition to carry out the reaction on industrial scale. Second branch is inorganic chemistry. It is a study of synthesis, composition, properties and structure of element and compounds that contain little or no carbon. An inorganic substance can be composed of metal, non-metal, or a mixture of these, salt, acid, and bases. Inorganic compounds are used as fertilizer, medicine, catalysis, pigments, coating, and much more. Next branch, organic chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry that deal with the carbon compound other than its simple salt like carbonate, bicarbonate, oxide, and carbides. In this branch, we study the structure, formation, properties, composition, and the reaction of carbon-containing compound. Organic compounds are found in all forms of life and also are essential for life. Next branch is environmental chemistry. It is the scientific study of the chemical and biochemical phenomena that occur in this planet. In this subject, we focus on sources, reaction, effects, and fates of chemical species in the air, soil, and water environment. Without this, it would be impossible to study the effects that humans have on the environment through the release of chemical. It help in understanding the causes, effects, and solution of different type of pollution. Next chemistry branch is analytical chemistry. This branch of chemistry deal with the analysis of different substances. It involves separation, identification, and determination of the concentration of compound component present in material things. Nowadays, the field of analytical chemistry generally involves the use of modern and sophisticated instruments to analyze the matter. The next branch is biochemistry. It is a branch of chemistry in which we understand life through chemical process. It is the study of chemical substances and vital processes occurring in living organisms. Biochemistry provides insights into the structure and function of molecules such as protein, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid. Next branch is nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry deals with the reaction taking place in the nucleus of an atom. It deals with radioactivity, nuclear process, and transformation in the nuclei of atom. Nuclear chemistry have many applications in agriculture, medicine, industry, and research. Next branch of chemistry is polymer chemistry. Polymer are large molecules made by linking together a series of building blocks. Polymer chemistry focuses on the properties, structures, and synthesis of polymer and the macromolecule. Many materials present in the living organism include protein, cellulose, and nucleic acid are naturally occurring polymer. Next branch of chemistry is geochemistry. The study of chemical composition of earth and its sources and minerals is called geochemistry. Apart from its use in mineral explorations, geochemical mapping today has application in environmental monitoring, forestry, and medical research. Next branch of chemistry is medicinal chemistry. In this branch of chemistry, the chemist tries to design and synthesize medicines or drugs which are beneficial for mankind. It includes the discovery, delivery, absorption, and metabolism of drug in human body. Next branch of chemistry, astrochemistry. It is a chemistry. It is a study of molecules and ions recurring in space and interstellar space. In this discipline, we study the abundance and reactions of atom, molecule, and ions in the universe. No, all the branches of chemistry are end up at this point.